This is how to use the free wealth and abundance tracker that I've made available. So these are the instructions at the front on the first sheet there, how to use the tracker. My top tip is to add your income goal. See here, I've set myself a goal of €100,000 this year. So add that to the file name. So it's just a constant reminder. The first thing you do is you go to the set your total for 2018 and you put it in here. So if it's 500,000, if it's 100,000, it doesn't matter. Then if you look here, so I've set myself a goal for this year of 100,000. So I need to earn €273.97 per day. And my monthly goal needs to be in and around 8,000 to 8,500. You don't need to change anything else on this page. Everything else will happen automatically. So we're in the month of January. So in order for me to hit my €100,000, so if I put in, let's say I put in 8,000 here. So on the 1st of January, for example, I got €100, I got paid, and somebody brought me for lunch, and I was gifted a voucher, and all of that came to approximately €50. Then on 2nd January, I got another check for €500, and I got a lovely free gift. I like to buy Benefit cosmetics, and I like Clinique. Sorry, I just went completely blank there for a moment. So sometimes when you buy 2 or more products, you get a free gift. So let's say I bought a lovely, because I did actually before Christmas, got a lovely Benefit gift bag. So if I figured out if I was to buy all those things, it would have cost me about €50. Now you can use this column if you want. How do you feel about this? So I usually do add in a comment here. When I get paid, or when my book sells, or it's passive income, or it's investment income, I put in a comment here. And it's just little positive reminders to me about anchoring positive emotions and feelings with receiving money. It doesn't always have to be cold hard cash. So if I just roll over to the right here a little bit, I'm going to put in 5 goals that I want to focus on for this month. My website is turning into my nemesis, but anyway, I'll get that done. I need to pick a lighting plan for my house. I need to start the building work. The builders are due to start renovating my house shortly, and I have to sort out my kitchen. So put in finalize kitchen design. So it doesn't really matter. It's really just 5 things that I want to focus on for this month. So again, because I keep this open on my desktop all of the time, so whenever I use it or log something or add something to it, it's just these 5 goals are under my nose for the month. And when I finish them off, and when I achieve the goal, I just stick a line through it. So if this was the case, so if this is the amount of money, whoops. So there's my monthly income goal. This is the total money that has come into my life so far. This is the total value. And again, this figure is very subjective. So far, if this was my income goal and if this was what I brought in, this is where I would be at for the month of January. So it keeps me focused. And I come back to my total for the overall year. So I'm at 1% of my total for the overall year. And you see all of these numbers go in here automatically. So the only thing you need to change on the sheet is this number here. Set that and make it really huge. Then every day put in, let me go over a bit. Oops, sorry. So every day put in the amount of money, whether it's money you find on the ground. So let's say you find a 5-cent coin, put that in, or it's money you get from a client, or it's investment income. It doesn't matter. This is money. And then this column here is the free stuff, the vouchers, the coupons, the free gifts, or the value of something. If you had to go out and buy the thing, service, product, how much would it have cost you? This bit here is how you feel about it, and that's completely optional. And I add in an abundance affirmation. Sometimes I'll add in my own images or pictures. Now, all of these bits are completely optional. Like I said, there are no hard and fast rules about how you do this. The important thing is that you do it. As to how you go about it and how you make this your own, that's entirely up to you. So you can change the colors, you can do whatever you want with it. But just record it, keep it under your nose every day, use it every day, take 2 to 3 minutes, and the changes in your life will be amazing.